Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable browser push notifications in Safari iOS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your iOS device. Locate and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and find Safari in the list of applications. Select Safari to open its settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the Safari settings menu. Tap on Notifications. You will see options for managing push notifications. To disable push notifications, toggle the switch next to allow notifications to the off position. This will prevent websites from sending you push notifications. If you want to customize notifications from specific sites, go back to the notification. You'll see a list of websites that have requested permission to send notifications. Tap on any site you wish to modify. From here, you can choose to allow or block notifications. After making your selections, press the back button to return to the notifications menu. Your changes will be saved automatically. Exit the Settings app and open Safari to confirm the changes. You're now all set with disabled browser push notifications in Safari for iOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.